friends, today we're going to make a turkey headband. You're going to get one of these brown bands that's going to go around your head, and you're going to get this packet. You can have an adult help you open it, and I'm going to use my scissors because it's a little bit hard to open. So you're going to cut it open, take everything out of the bag, and spread everything out. Here's some feathers and a turkey head. And if you want, there's some directions in here on how to do it, but you can do it any way you want. So here is the face, and you can put on the beak and the wattle. The wattle is the red part that comes off the turkey's neck. And then here are the feathers that you can glue behind. And here are the wings that you can attach to the headband, just like this. So you're going to start by gluing your wings on. And we're going to press and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it sticks. We put on our bird's beak. And again, do your 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn it over and put some glue. And put all the feathers on. We have to do 2 at a time and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And keep going all the way to 10. And you're going to flip it over. Oh, see, I didn't count to 10 on those and it didn't stick. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. And then we're going to glue it onto our headband. Probably need a little more drying time on this, friends. Just want to show you to get an idea. Okay, put our wattle on. There we go. And then you're going to put it on your head. Have fun. Happy Thanksgiving. Gobble, gobble, gobble.